My name is Chana and today I'll be your host for this Sunday meal. If you're watching this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. If you're wondering what we're having for Sunday meal, I'll be making lasagna with chicken served with naan bread and salad. The ingredients for lasagna are bell pepper, tomatoes, mushroom, onions, pepper, vegetable oil, minced beef, garlic and ginger, chopped tomatoes, chicken stocks, tomato purees, lasagna sauce, lasagna sheets, and grated cheese. So all my ingredients are chopped off, and then now I'm going to take this oil to the stove. Follow me to the kitchen. Put my oil into the pan. Oil is ready, and now I'm going to put my mixed meat into the pot. Stirring my mixed meat. As you can see, the mixed meat is brown, so you can't see any pink. So now I'm going to add my onions. So as you can see, I'm stirring it up. Now I'll be adding my ginger and my garlic. Now I'm going to stir the ginger and garlic. I'm putting my chopped tomatoes in. So now I'm going to be stirring it up. I'm going to be adding my peppers inside the pan. Next will be my mushrooms. At last will be tomatoes. Now I've added all my ingredients. And I don't need to put water because tomato contain a lot of water already. So now I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes for it to be ready. It's now been 10 minutes and I have not added any water. So I'll come back between 10 to 15 minutes and add my tomato puree. So now it's 15 minutes been, and now I'm going to check on my sauce. Wow! I didn't add any water, and now I'm going to add my tomato puree. Not a lot. And now I'm going to stir my tomato purees. Looks nice. Now I've added my tomato puree, so now I'm going to close it and then wait for 10 minutes for it to be ready. And here, my other pot, I'm moving on to this pot here, as you can see, and I'm going to wait for it for 10 minutes, and then later on I'm going to add my lasagna sheet, paprika, thyme and curry. So now I'm going to put it into the pan, not a lot. My seasoning, as you can see, into the chicken to season it. And now I'm going to use my hands to mix it.
Hopefully early next year.
You can see I put my seasoning inside my chicken and stirred it up. So now I'm going to put it inside the air fryer. So as you can see, I put my chicken inside already. And now I'm going to put it inside the air fryer. Ready to go. And now I'm going to put it on 180 already. Now 20 minutes and it's ready to go. So as you can see, my sauce is ready already. And now I'm going to move on to this pot to put my lasagna sheets. now I'm just gonna slowly drop it in. As you can see, I'm gonna cover it. So now I'm gonna get the sauce here and spread it around. So now I'm gonna add the Domino creamy sauce for lasagna. So now I'm gonna spread the lasagna. So now I'm gonna spread some grated cheese around it. So now I'm done with the lasagna and now I'm going to put it into the oven for it to get ready. So now the chicken is ready and now I'm going to put it inside the plate. Now I put it inside the bowl. So now it's all done and now I'm going to put it on the table. All ready to go. Now it's ready. Now the lasagna is ready and to be served. Now food is ready and here I have lasagna with chicken served with salad.
Me, my wife, and my girl is a reality show that brings the inside of our home to you.
This is for real and the originality from inside. It's a sensational.
It's motivational.
Continue to watch me and my wife and my